Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I'm working with Lamourhairs to bring you this beautiful 22-inch 180% density loose wave lace wig. You guys see the hairline is immaculate. I opted for no baby hair because I really wanted to show it off and kind of, brag about this one for you guys. And you guys see I set it off with no baby hair at all. The lace blends with my complexion perfectly. The fact that it's pre-plucked is a chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. And then of course you get a nice good 6 inches of parting space going backwards. So I'm loving the way this one looks. I'm going to install her for beginners. We're going to go ahead and do the install process glueless. We're also going to add some layers and some curls to this one. So without further ado, if you love this look and you're interested in seeing how I got it, keep on watching. Jumping right into it, this is what the wig looks like on. I was definitely feeling it and loving the wave pattern. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap and also the hairline. As you guys can see, we are working with a baddie. This one is going to come out absolutely amazing. But first, let's just make sure we can see. Here's a closer look at the hairline. It is pre-plucked for the gods. You literally don't have to do any work at all. I'm going to start off by cutting off the excess lace, not forgetting to cut off everything around the ears so that the wig fits my head flat and flush. And as you guys can see, she blends like a dream. Now let's go ahead and check out the hairline. When you move some hair forward, this is what it looks like. It looks like your favorite celebrity stylist has went ahead and plucked this one for the gods. I'm going to go for a no baby hair look today. So let's just push all of that back and go ahead and bond her down. Today we're going to be using the Bedeck Beauty Glueless Adhesive. I'll have it linked in the description box. And pretty much we're just going to apply a thin layer across the entire perimeter of the head. I'm going to use this acrylic popsicle stick to just go ahead and smooth everything out and make sure that it's not too cakey. And then we're going to apply the lace directly on top, making sure the hairline and all of that gel is tacky.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your pace.
Now here we're just going to clean up our mess. This is going to be a glueless install. It's also going to be blow dry free. So I just added that elastic band on top and it's going to do literally all of the work. While that goes ahead and dries, let's use our mousse paired with the electric hot comb to pretty much make everything look flat and flush. We want to look like we're leaving the salon. We don't want to look like we have the kitchen press. So this electric hot comb is the perfect thing paired with the wax stick to make everything look amazing. Now that the hairline is dried, you can see how amazing it looks. Don't forget this is a glueless install, so no glue was used at all. Here's a look at the hair in its natural state. You definitely don't have to add curls at all. You can add a little bit of a serum and go. You can even wet it and that will be amazing. I did opt for curls on this one, but I kind of wish I'd have just left it in its natural state. Nonetheless, the curls came out amazing as well. We're going to add a little bit of layer all around the front. And we're going to also add some powder to the parting. No powder was used along the hairline because it blended so naturally. And yeah, that pretty much was it.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord.
Okay, love bugs. I went ahead and put some curls in the hair. Love the way it came out. This one has so much bounce and body to it naturally that, to be honest, you don't even have to do this. I would highly recommend adding a little bit of dimension with some layers. This is just going to give it more body and a vibe. I did add a heat protectant off camera and I think that worked out great. And I think that worked out well. I love the natural sheen this one has, the fullness this one has, and of course the length. And more importantly, I love the hairline. This one is absolutely beautiful. So I thought it was important that I just show it off and not even like pluck or tweeze it anymore because it didn't need it. And also I just felt like it would be amazing to just do no baby hair, so that is what we executed today and I'm absolutely in love. It gives a natural vibe along the hairline, in the parting space and up top, and then it gives a lot of boom down below, and I love the contrast and how well it balances each other out so perfectly. I think I did mention already, but this one did come from Lamourhairs. I also think I showed the box already, but I love this green. Definitely very unique. Also with this one, we did receive a dust bag inside. And inside, you do have 2 packs of wig caps, so that's a total of 4. Of course, the dust bag is how I prefer to store my wigs. So I love when companies include these. And then this is the actual bag that the wig came in, and I'll read it off to you guys. It says that this one is Jasmine. I guess that's her name. She is an HD lace wig in the textured loose wave. The dimensions of the lace is 13 by 6, 180% density, and 22 inches in length. You guys already know the deal. Majority of the products that we use today are from bedeckbeauty.com. This is a brand that is designed, curated by moi, so you can check out the information on that down below. That includes the wax stick, the gel glue adhesive that we used, the hot comb. Not sure if we used the blow dryer. I don't think we did, but if we did, the blow dryer. Isn't she so cute? And then the edge control we used also. So, and I used the heat protectant off camera. Everything else we used, like the flat iron, the hot comb, and the holding spray, are also in the description box. And of course you can find that there. And of course, you know, the link to this wig with all details are there as well. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Smooches!